Now, the rain can't fall on us if it's outside the atmosphere. Because the atmosphere is like a thick layer. So something as light as rain can't get through it. Yep. So if the clouds were outside the thing, the rain would just drip, on the sides and draw into the void. Like, that guy went out jogging. I can see he has the jogging pants and the